I'm Mandy, and today I'm going to show you how to set up SSH authentication for GitHub. SSH is a network protocol that allows one computer to connect securely to another computer over an unsecured network like the internet. SSH encrypts your data through a tunnel so you can securely transmit files, which is what we'll do today, log into a machine, or safely issue remote commands. Basically, there's two keys that you generate, public key and private key. The private key will stay on your machine. Public key you'll put on the other machine, okay, and that will be our GitHub server. And then when you call the SSH client to transmit your files or do your remote commands, the SSH client authenticates the keys, says, okay, they match, let's give them a tunnel, boom, you're in. Let's do it. So first we will try to clone a repository. This is a public repository. Code. We go to SSH. We see a little notification here that we haven't set it up yet. Let's try anyway and see what error we get. Git clone this. Yes, please. Oh. Permission denied public key. We're going to add that now. Run SSH keygen t ed 25519-c, and then whatever email you use for Git. Generating a public key. Where do you want to save it? Default is fine. Enter passphrase. No passphrase. Thank you. Thank you. Generated. So now the keys are created. We're going to add our private key to our SSH agent, okay, and ensure that it's running. So to start the agent, we're going to do eval SSH agent -s. We got the PID, that means it's running. And now we're going to add the key that we just made, SSH add, and then give it the location of the private key. Identity added. And now we'll go and add the public key to our GitHub profile. So give it a name, and we will cat the public key contents. Okay, copy this, paste it here, add key. Successfully added. Now try again. Git clone, and it's cloning. And that worked through SSH. There you go. Now, if this helped you at all, if you learned something, if you are happy with this video, please like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you need to do. Please, it means so much to me. Thank you.